And good morning, March 3rd, 2024. And as you can see, I'm planning on some trailer maintenance, and it'll be a while before I get back to my I'll be Jeep. Concentrating on rust and installing electric brakes.
Hey, it's a quick My Jeep update, and I will be doing some additional projects around the house before I get into anything heavy again on the Jeep, which I have coming up, like oil pan, oil pump, bearings, main bearings, and rear main seal. But I'm going to be working on this trailer. It's been sitting out here for a couple of years without being used. You see one of the fenders rusted off of it. I got new fenders. I'll be putting those on. And now what I'm going to do, you see my trailer over here for towing vehicles behind the RV. It has electric brakes on it, and I really like that feature. So I'm going to add electric brakes, new bearings and everything to this. And I'm checking out, make sure I order the right kit. Okay, and as you can see, I think you can, let me get down here a little closer. I'll tell you, my axles are packed with rust. And what I'm going to do probably this coming week is jack this trailer up and get it well up on its side. And I'm going to pressure wash everything. And then I'm going to examine it. I may end up having to get a new axle for this thing, and if I do, I'm going to buy a complete axle kit that already has electric brakes. But I think I can get them for about $300. But I'm going to see if I can salvage this axle, clean it, rust treat it, and go from there. We'll just have to see. My Jeep out.
And if I do find some cracks or holes in the axle, I might be able to repair them with my new electric welder. That remains to be seen. And don't do like I did. Don't complete your trailer maintenance on a regular basis, and this is what you'll end up with, rust. If I find several cracks or holes, I will consider buying a brand new axle